3 points in this video I will share to you.
1. How to filter image. 2. How to set hover image on cell. 3. How to look up image. 1. Filter image in cell. Column C is keeping image in cells. When I filter on product name, I see that the image is not filter. How to solve with this problem? Okay, I'm back. First, I need insert image in cells, like my example. After, click all images and right-click. And choose Format Object. Next, click on this button. In the Properties, choose Move in Size with Cells. Close it. Now I filter again. Okay, the images is Move with Cell after I filter. With Filter image is done. 2. Adjust hover image on cell. This is example we'll share to you. Okay, let's practice now. First, click on Cell and choose Add Comment. Scroll down and choose Insert Comment. Remove text in box. And right-click on Border. After, choose Format Comment. Next, click on Colors and Lines. And click on this button and choose Filter Effects. Click the Picture button. And click on Select Picture. Insert your picture on the computer. Click Insert. Click OK again. The outcome, see that, is the image show on cell. And you can resize of image at the border. One more image. I just right-click on cell and choose Insert Comment. Remove the text and right-click on box border. Click on Format Comment. Choose Color and Line. Click on Color and Fill Effect. Click on Picture and insert picture from computer. Resize image at the border here. Okay, check the result. Click on cell, the images pop up on cell. 2 points is done. 3. Lookup image. In this example, if I select any code of product, the image will change. And the information I look up from master list. This is code product at moment. Okay, I will show you. Now I delete this picture. And click on Master List. Next, copy the top cell of image. And go to In Stock Sheets, after Paste Special on cell. Next, click on Formula and choose Name Manager. Click New and add the title name. After, I use Index and Match function to look up image. Press equal and type index and open parentheses. Next, I need select all ranges from master list sheets. Press comma and type match and open parentheses. I need to select top code at the in-stock sheets. And comma. After, go to the master list and select all code of product. and comma, 0, and close parenthesis. Next, press comma and type number 3. This number is column stand on C. Finish close parentheses. Click OK. I need remember this name. Next, close. Check the result here. I changed the code product. I see that name is changed, but image isn't. Okay, I just click on image and remove the text formula. Press equal and call name manager is lookup. And click check here. Okay, the result of the image is lookup from the product code. 3 points is done. Subscribe for more sharing.